Hey, Mike Shamon here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a crypto wallet with Coinbase. So lots of things are going on in the cryptoverse, and now is a great time to get on board. Luckily, Coinbase has made that pretty simple for you, pretty easy. So I'm just going to walk you through the process. We're going to get signed up through Coinbase, and then I'm going to show you how to buy, sell, trade, and convert your dollars into crypto or whatever you want to be converted to. Also, there's an affiliate link below, so if you click that, you'll be taken to this page. Of course, no extra cost to you, just a huge token of appreciation from me to you for using my link. So let's go ahead and get started with that now. We'll come to this page and you will create an account. So go ahead and put your email in there, hit continue. And then you're going to need to sign up with your legal first and last name, your email address, and of course your password. And then you want to go to create a free account. All right, once you do that, just hit create a free account. And it will take a second to load. Then go ahead and verify your email. All right, so this is the email I got. I'm just going to go ahead and click verify. Okay, so once you get your email verified, it's going to ask you for your phone number. And then it's going to ask you for a code. All right, once you get that code, it's going to ask you your citizenship. And then it's going to ask you all your personal details and your social security number. So once you go ahead and fill those details in, just hit continue. Verifying your info. And then they just have a little questionnaire here. So you can just select what you want to do. All right, so if you just want to select what you want to do, hit submit. And then just ask you some more information to verify your information. Okay, and now it's taking you to your account dashboard here. And it's asking if you want to trade on Coinbase Advance. You can turn that on later. For now, just saying, if you need to fund your account, really, if you want to get started with trading. So you need to add your payment method and buy your first crypto. So you can do that right here. And you just click the drop down. Why is this important? Obviously, you need money to buy crypto. But we support bank accounts, cards, and wire transfers. And then it says buy your first crypto or earn up to 2,000 Bitcoin after your first buy. Once you complete your first crypto purchase, you'll then be able to spin the wheel of rewards and earn between $3 and $200 in Bitcoin. So that's a pretty cool reward they have there. Now, your account information is up here at the top. So you can go to settings if you need to go to settings. And then right here, they have kind of some quick links here for individuals, and they have one for wallet. We're going to go back there in just a minute, but that's a little quick links and then notifications. Now, if you want to buy and sell and transfer, this is how you do it right here. All right, so you could go to buy and sell if you wanted to buy and sell crypto. So you would select if you want to buy Bitcoin, and then you pay with whatever payment method you choose. If you choose your wire transfer, or if you have a debit card, it'd be right here too. So you choose your wire transfer, and then obviously you have to enter that information in there. Now, if you did want to transfer, you can send crypto, receive crypto, deposit, or withdraw. If you want to receive crypto from another wallet, you just hit receive crypto, and then you'd have to verify your account. Obviously, I'm not sure why it has there, but we'll go through that in just a minute. If you go over here to the left side here, we have my assets, and my assets are going to be where all your assets are. So whatever you buy will be right underneath here under my crypto and my cash. If you have any in USDC or US dollar, this does earn APY. So, you might want to look into that. Now, if you did want to trade, you can go to this trade button right here, and then it's going to pop up with the cost and if you want to buy that token. So they have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB, Solana, all right, Dogecoin, it's a meme coin. Now, here's the thing with Coinbase is that they don't offer all the coins you may see. So some of them are not listed on this exchange. So what you would have to do is, for example, Dogecoin is available. So if you want to buy Dogecoin right now, you can go to buy, and you can buy Dogecoin with your money that you have in Coinbase there. However, if you want to buy a different coin, a different meme coin like Pepe, all right, Pepe does not have a buy button next to it. So how would you buy this? Well, if you go ahead and click on Pepe, it says open Coinbase wallet. So Pepe isn't supported on Coinbase. You can go to Coinbase wallet and buy it on a decentralized exchange. Assets on Coinbase wallet are not held by Coinbase. So what you would do is you go to open Coinbase wallet. It'll say get Coinbase wallet to trade more tokens, including Pepe. So what you want to do is you want to go to get Coinbase wallet. Okay, and then there's going to be a few different options for you. You can to create a smart wallet, or you can connect an existing wallet if you have one, like through MetaMask, all right, or Wallet Connect. Okay, so now if you go to create smart wallet, what's going to happen is you're going to get this pop-up box here, and you want to go to create smart wallet. And you want to go to create a passkey. It's going to ask you how you want to create a passkey for Coinbase. So you can use phone, tablet, security key, or Windows. All right, so you just go to select the one you want. So if you want to use a phone, you're going to go ahead and scan this. And then there's going to be a prompt. It's going to walk you through a whole prompt process. And it's going to give you a password with 12 phrases on it. Now, whenever you get to those 12 phrases, you want to make sure you write those down in that order, or you save them somewhere to your disk drive or somewhere easy to access for you and private from everybody else, because those are your wallet keys. And that's the only way you can change your password, and that's the only way you can get into your account. So once you have your Coinbase wallet set up and connected to your Coinbase account to where you have money in your Coinbase wallet now, you can do things like buy Pepe, things that aren't on regular Coinbase right now. So if you want to buy something like Pepe, I'm on what they call Dex Screener right now, and this is a free software, free program. You just type in Dex Screener. Now, when you go to search for a coin like this, you're going to want to be careful because there are a lot of scams going on. There's a lot of things that are very similar about different coins. First off, you want to do your due diligence and make sure that it's a legit coin and everything else like that. You can search up here in the search bar for the contract address. Well, what's the contract address? Well, if you scroll down here, scroll down a little bit on this sidebar here, you see it says Pepe, and it starts 0x698, and it ends in 1933. Go ahead, clip that, and copy it to your clipboard, okay, and then paste it in the notepad, okay. So you can confirm that's the Pepe address there, but what you can also go to is CoinMarketCap. Okay, this is a popular website, and it lists the top 10 it lists the top coins by market cap. All right, now if you go and scroll down, you can see all the coins right here, and here's Pepe. So if you want to invest in Pepe, go ahead and click Pepe. All right, and this screen pops up. If you look over here on this side, it says contracts. It's on Ethereum, and it starts with OX69 and ends in 1933. Go ahead and copy that, and you just want to paste it into the same notepad and just compare them to make sure they're the same. So now you know that this is the right address for Pepe. You can go ahead and copy this, okay? You can put it into your screener here to make sure it's the right one. Now you can see this, it says trade on Uniswap right here. If you click this, that's where it'll bring you to where you can trade Pepe. Trade on Uniswap, and that's where you can buy things like Pepe and other digital assets. So you're going to come to a screen like this, and it's going to say connect up here at the top. You just go ahead and click connect, and this is where you can select your Coinbase wallet. And that Coinbase wallet's going to have all your assets in there. All your money is going to be in your Coinbase wallet. So if that's what your money's through, you click Coinbase wallet. And then it's going to have a confirm box up here where you're going to have to enter your name and password. Or enter your password. Since I already have the Coinbase wallet on my Chrome, it's asking me if I want to connect, and just hit connect. Or I already have Coinbase on Chrome, so now I'm connected. Okay, so now all I need to do is select a token, which it's on Ethereum. So you're going to need to have Ethereum in your wallet to buy Pepe. And as you can see, my balance is 0 because I don't have any Ethereum in my Coinbase wallet right now. Let's go to my other wallet, and I'll show you guys how to buy. So I'm just going to hit disconnect. Also, I meant to go over one more thing. If you come to the screen and you don't see the Pepe there, which you need to know it's the right one, you need to go back to your notepad here, copy your address. All right, select the drop down and then paste the name of the address in there and it'll come up. That's how you make sure you're on the right Pepe. All right, now I'm connected to my wallet. Well, it'll be connected in just a moment. All right, and now I can buy Pepe. So if I want to buy the max amount, I set max, and that's how much Ethereum I have at this time. But I actually just bought some, so I'm going to show you that in just a second. But you want to make sure that you have enough Ethereum for gas fees. Okay, you can see the gas fees right now are $29.58. However, when I previously bought this about a few hours ago, the gas fees were only $19. So it's going to depend on when you buy it, how much your gas fees are and the network cost of it. But let me show you how to buy it. All right, so I got my ETH in place now, and I'm just going through to see how much ETH I want to put in here because I only have a certain amount in this account. So you want to pay attention to the gas fee too. You want to make sure you account for that and have enough Ethereum in your account for the gas fee. So you can see it's $19 at this point in time, and it's going back and forth with the Pepe. So let's go ahead and go to swap. There we go, swap, confirm swap. And this is a similar process with a Coinbase wallet and a MetaMask wallet. So you don't have to confirm this as well. And it does take a little bit of time. Let's go ahead and hit confirm. All right, now it's submitting our transaction. All right, so just getting ready to submit, and there we go, it's complete. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back into our, this time MetaMask account, but you go back into your Coinbase wallet and you do a little refresh, and then you would check to make sure to confirm that the Pepe or whatever you bought did hit your account. So if I go back into my wallet here, you can see that the Pepe is in my wallet now. Now, if you want to buy Bitcoin or something, let me show you how to do it. So you just go to the home page and you can just click Bitcoin and it's going to take you to its page. Now, if you wanted to buy it, you just come over here on this page. You can go to buy. You can also go to buy, sell, select Bitcoin, and it's going to ask you to pay. You can pay with whatever way you'd like to. All right. And then you can go to max if you want to do max. Okay. And then review order. So if you just want to do, maybe you just want to do 500 and you just want to go to review order. All right, and then it's going to say the price of Bitcoin, the purchase price, your fee, and the total. Okay, if you want to do it weekly, you can do it weekly. Then you're going to hit buy now, and it will process that order of 500 Bitcoin. Now, if you wanted to sell it, you do the same thing. You just go to sell, and you go to whatever coin you wanted to sell. So if I wanted to sell Litecoin here, I go to sell, and what I want to convert it to. Okay. And then you just go to max. It's going to tell you what your sale price is, your fee, and your total payout. You just go to sell now, and that'll convert that to USDC. All right. Now, if you want to go to convert, where you want to go Bitcoin to, or let's just say you want to go from Litecoin to Ethereum. Okay. And you just go to review order, and then it would tell you the exchange rate and your Coinbase fee and your total. What you need to do is you just need to get money into the Coinbase, and then you can create your first trade, buying or selling. Like I said, you just go to trade, and then you just hit the buy button and buy some Bitcoin, buy some Ethereum once you have that money from your bank account in there. So I hope you found this video helpful. I would be doing some other videos on crypto and how to make some membership websites with NFTs and coins and things like that. So be sure to subscribe and follow me for that. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.